Hello friends, welcome to a new video from Wood Creations. The day of today, we are going to carve a dragon in wood. This will be the piece of wood that we will turn into art. This time we won't use guides, we'll do it all freehand. Well, let's start sculpting little by little. All right, here's the progress so far. Not much left to do. I will give it the final touches and I'll be right back. Okay, now it is completely finished. Comment from 1 to 10, how much do you give this work? And don't forget to like and subscribe.